Bro, last month it was about like 80K in GMV max total. Yeah, that's crazy. Say like for beginners, TikTok Shop is way crazier right now at the moment, especially with AI now. All my videos are converting like, I would even say like 50K per mil or something. This is way easier. You can learn this shit in like 3 weeks. Already make like 10K or something. And it's basically just copy paste.
Bro, how much do you make last month?
Bro, last month it was about like 80K in GMV max total, I would say.
I mean, yeah, walk me through the whole journey. Like you started a while back with organic and it was doing fine, I guess, but like nothing compared to this. So let's go through everything.
Yeah, basically I started with organic like 2 years ago, almost, I think, and then I joined 2024 in the beginning, mentorship. To be fair, organic didn't work for me. I made like 50K in total, like in GMV or like revenue. But I tested like 30 plus products. So I really hadn't had that much of success with organic. But now with TikTok Shop, I mean, I started this year, probably in like May, already made like way more than organic. So yeah, that's crazy.
Like, I mean, especially the last few months, like maybe walk me through the differences from organic to affiliate.
So I would say like organic is way harder because you have to get up and film a whole lot of videos and edit all this stuff. It takes long, like also the scripts and stuff, script the videos. With TikTok Shop, it's like I just wake up, I go on the PC and I make like 3 hours of videos, already got like 6 videos ready, and it's way easier, way more chill. I would say it's even more beginner friendly, and you don't have to innovate and be creative as much as in organic. So I would say like for beginners, it's like TikTok Shop is way crazier right now at the moment, especially with AI now. The conversion rate is way better than with organic. All my videos are converting like, I would even say like 50K per mil or something. So
Right now?
yeah, yeah.
Yeah. And then let's go through the dashboards. You can just share your screen or share it on the phone. Okay, so how much is this 67K?
Yeah, 67K.
It's not focusing, but yeah, 67. Okay,
On the
this
other phone
is
as well,
one
like,
month.
yeah, and also I have the other account on the other phone.
So what do you think was it specifically why it went so crazy so fast for you?
I started like with Pepper's brand. When Pepper's brand launched, I right away started with it. So I was basically there from the beginning. I've seen everything, and I think also that's why I learned so fast, like with the AI stuff. This is way easier. You can learn this shit in like 3 weeks. Already make like 10K or something. It's way more easy. Like
100%, because filming is such a massive skill to have. Like there's people who made millions of dollars with organic, and you can obviously make a lot of money with it, but you have to be so good. Like you have to wake up, film insanely good videos, have to be super creative about how to come up with concepts, and then when you combine everything and everything is done perfect, then you start making a lot of money. However, with AI, it's very, very different. You basically, like how the whole process works at the moment, this is like what everyone's realistically doing is you go on TikTok, you see a video that did well, and it's very easy to copy a video like for 80 or 90% with AI at this moment. Like you can literally just copy things very easily and then just tell AI to basically change something about it. So, okay, like instead of, let's say that the video is about one product, you just tell ChatGPT to re-script the video for another product or for another audience or for another problem or for like you change a specific thing, but leave like 80 or 90% of the video exactly how it is. And then you just keep innovating things. Like especially like, I mean, for you, the one change which was really good for you was languages, right? You basically just innovated. You took US concepts which were done in English and you just changed the language, and that did really, really well for you.
I feel like I found some type of new demographics. Didn't even know this was a thing before. I did like a bit deep research with other demographics that are also in the US, and it's basically just copy paste and test, and that's basically it. So it's very easy. Everyone could do it actually.
Yes. Yes. We constantly see how insane it is to just like take winning concepts and translate it in a specific country. With TikTok Shop, it's the very first time you can speak in a language without targeting the country where you speak that language. So if you would, let's say, speak in Arabic and the whole thing happens in Germany, like you have a TikTok Shop link, which is in Germany, but you speak in Arabic, you're not going to have demographics from Arabic-speaking countries. What you're going to have is you're going to have only German people who speak Arabic see the product or see the videos. So that basically lets you tap into very unknown markets, which are very passionate. Like you are kind of very happy about seeing your own native language because you mostly don't see that if you, for example, live in Germany. So what happens is you can actually go into these smaller audiences. And the good thing about TikTok Shop is if you have a TikTok Shop video, which is a German TikTok Shop, it just stays in Germany. Like no matter what you do, the video will not go viral outside of Germany. Like wherever the link, like wherever the listing is live in, that's where the video views will come in from, because that's what TikTok wants. They want to maximize on sales. So it's kind of insane to have this for the very first time. Like the back in the day, it was so bad to do Spanish content. Like you can do Spanish content, and you get 10 million views, and then you make $1,000 max. Here it's very different. You just do Spanish content in the US, and it converts really well. It converts really, really well because there just people have more money. That's for sure. Like one of the biggest differences also on top of this with affiliates. With organic, it was just different. It was harder to go into these sub niches and still convert. The other thing which is really powerful here is that from our perspective, like the teaching process is also significantly easier. Like teaching you how to prompt is easier than teaching you how to film. It's so much easier. It's so much easier. It's so much more beginner friendly. And here, like you've seen it, like being part of Pepe's brand, who's basically like brand, like our program exclusive. It's just something where, you know, they just give you winning concepts. It's very, very straightforward. They just like tell you exactly what to do, which is very different than with organic. We give you products, we give you concepts, we give you like almost everything.
That also like helped me very much. Like we getting these weekly sheets with like new content innovations on content styles, and then you basically can just just execute on it, and that's it. Like just executing what's on the sheets, and you make like a big bag. Like, bro, this is even more crazy. I feel like
100%, 100%. How was the event for you? You were there like last week.
Yeah, bro, the event was crazy. Like getting all to know these people in like real life in person. Because I knew them all before from the Discord, but now it's like I knew them in person, and it's even crazier. So yeah, I got to know a few nice people, and also the event was very like packed with value as well, especially with like moving out and stuff. I found that very interesting. But yeah, overall, I'm waiting on the next event already.
So what would you say was the biggest thing which gotten you here? Like what was the most helpful thing you've gotten, which just made you these 80K last month?
The main reason was just the market switch, so that I like switched the market and tapped into a fully like untapped market basically. Like in the Discord, we have a channel with like video ideas, daily video ideas, and there's just it's like the most viral videos, AI videos right now. I could basically just copy them into a different language, just tell ChatGPT to change the language. It's not really special. It sounds so boring, but it's like that's where the money's at in TikTok Shop AI right now.
It's literally what it is, and like I agree with you that it does sound boring. The one thing which is just there is the fucking account ban. You're gonna like it's obviously there, and that's gonna be the main issue, which you're just gonna be have to like deal with. Other than the account bans, which are also solvable by just having more accounts, it just works like crazy. Like the amount of step-by-step stuff we can give is kind of like ridiculous at this point. Like I feel weird giving someone a winning product, a winning video, a winning concept, a winning everything like on a weekly basis. And it just then works, you know, like this is just something which like doesn't really like happen ever.
I feel like with the account bans, like the violations and stuff, even the language that I'm doing right now, I don't even think the TikTok AI recognizes it. I did like at this point like over 100 videos, and I got like 2 violations maybe. So
wow.
that's another thing. That's another thing. Like maybe these violations were only because of the graphics, not even because of the script. So
what's your plan from here?
I'm right now building my agency, and I want to scale my agency a bit more, like to this point where I have like around 75 or 100K liquid cash. And then I will also like transition into a brand kind of. I don't know what type of brand it's gonna be, but also planning like to launch a TikTok Shop brand soon in the future.
You want to do agency first and then brand?
Yeah, I feel like to get like to 100K liquid in cash on my own, I would probably have to like run these 16 to 18 hour days like for months straight. Also now after Q4, so I think it's a faster way to do it with an agency without like working like crazy amounts of hours. And then I also can transition like the creators from the agency right to the brand, to the product. So that's also another advantage there. But yeah, that's how I think things will go for me as of right now.
Yeah. Do you already have creators?
I have a few. I have a few from the program. I think like 2 or 3. at the moment like two, but I will get another one. And I also have like two Filipino guys. But I'm trying to yeah, get more creators, get them better at content, and then scale from there basically.
That is the main step. Like the creator game is the number one thing you're gonna have to do. I think we're gonna have to work on this a lot. We can talk like after the case study also about this. But do you have any questions for now?
I feel like many creators of mine, their mindset is kind of off, and I have to like motivate them that they're doing the content, and it's sometimes kind of hard to like get them into the same perspective because I feel like they're seeing everything from the negative side of things, like account bans, stuff, all this stuff, and it's kind of hard to motivate them. If you have maybe
that's
have any
the creators. It's like the problem are the creators. You know, like yes, you can motivate them, and yes, you can show them the bigger picture and all of that. But you need new creators. That's the really the fully honest answer is this. It's not possible to get someone who doesn't want to do it to do it. You know, like this is I've seen this from years of experience with this whole program. Is like if you have a person that is just there complaining and not really wanting to do it, and they like I have to motivate them. Not my problem. It's like at some point it's not. You know.
I feel like they're working, but like it's not all creators, but I see this with like some creators. They are working, but they are very slow also. Like they're executing very slow. Like probably it's fast, but in my perspective, it's slow because I'm doing everything like super fast at the moment.
Yeah.
So yeah, I don't know. Maybe it's just yeah.
We can sit down like after the case study and talk about like getting you more creators, because what we've seen is that you need to actually have like a few really good ones. Bro, one good creator can outsource everything for you. Like your whole life will change with one really good guy, you know? So we just have to like rotate through a few to find the best ones. And like I can tell you about like later about how to go there. You're gonna see for like retrospectively later when you have like a perfect 10 out of 10 banger creator that whatever you would have said to the other guys, they wouldn't have made it as good as this creator. Like whatever you would verbally say, it doesn't help. You know, they have to want it. So this is just like a really big thing. And in my opinion, it's more of a waste of time to keep trying to optimize decent creators instead of just having a few really good ones. To someone who is not in the program, what's like, how would you describe like being in there?
You gotta picture yourself as a baby and you're getting a spoon right into the mouth. Pause. But it's like you just have to execute. You just have to execute. You don't even need to like think yourself like too crazy, especially right now with AI. So I would say it's like basically the blueprint this time with like with the way to the success. I would say like basically the blueprint that you're going to get there.
Yeah, no, 100%, 100%. And it's just like you're basically like the second you join, you're going to have one-on-one calls with us where we just walk you through the entire process. We assign you to a brand. We give you the winning concepts. We just tell you exactly what to do and you just do it. You know, like it sounds too good to be true, but the reality is like right now with AI, it is just this. Like it's not hard to make money if you just actually try. And if you if you really try, it's not that hard to make money. And the only reason for this is that most people are not doing it. I keep saying this. I know for a fact in the next few years, making money is going to be really hard, like really hard, because there's going to be a bunch of shit happening with AI. It's going to get either too easy or regulations or something like that. But right now, just think about that. You can actually have AI see a winning video, which did well on TikTok. You just show this video to ChatGPT, you re-script it, you use like 3-4 tools to recreate that same video with a few changes. And you just post it, and that is what makes you money. It's literally that. Like I'm not over exaggerating. It's literally that. You take a good video, you change a few things about that good video, you repost that video or redo it with a few tools, and that's it. It sounds insane, and this is why we switched the whole business model from organic to this, because the only thing you have to worry about in the beginning to make your first 10K profit a month, the only thing is that, like only how to make these videos that go viral. And then the second thing is obviously the account bans, but you don't have to deal with any bullshit. Like there's no bullshit happening except for bans. That's the only thing. Like you don't have to optimize your store. You don't have to deal with the customers. If there's any problem in your business, you can't really get properly banned. Like if you run your own brand, if you run your own thing and you get a payment provider hold or a payment provider ban, your payment provider is gone. If you're an affiliate, you don't care at all. You just buy a new account and you just can't get paid directly from the brands anyways. There's no real bans. It's just like very small ones, which are just like, okay, the account is gone. So the business model is cracked. And we basically just have the entire overview over the whole market, and we just know what goes viral. Like what Frederick is saying here is that basically you basically just have like a bunch of viral videos which go viral this week, and we give you them, we show you what is doing well, and then you just take them and apply them to your product and to the audience, and you just change something. So that's kind of what you get in the program. If you're interested, you can sign up for a call. We see if it's a good fit. It's just kind of dumb to try things by yourself at this point. Like it sounds very, very salesy, and I know like I'm making money off it. I get it. But this is just genuinely what I think. Like I actually believe that it does not make sense to do this by yourself, because you don't know what a good product is, you don't know what a good video is, you don't know what to change about a video, why something went viral. And also we have like really good deals from the brands, which people only get in the programs, which like you get access to them by being in the program. No, so yeah, I mean, click the link below, sign up for a call, and we're gonna see if it's a good fit.